Hi guys! Meron pala akong i-recommenda sa inyo na mga types sa mga laptop. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ito. So, ito guys, mga types sa laptops. Wait, natin yung makita. And guys, ang first is Asus ZenBook 14 OLED UX3405CA. Ito guys is ang price niya is 74,995. Swak sa budget at swak siya sa budget kasi imported siya guys, and so sa guys is Intel Core Ultra 7 155H. So and 16C 6P plus 8E plus 2LPE equals 22 threads. And guys, it has a 16 GB LPDDR4X or low power double data rate 5X. So the second guys is Lenovo Yoga Pro 7i 16 2025. Meron siyang Intel Core Ultra 9 185H. Sa una guys is Ultra 7, dito Ultra 9, mas upgrade na siya. So, ang price is 89,995. Best for content creators, designers, and multitaskers. Sa first guys is best for students, professionals, on-the-go productivity. Ang ikatatlo naman guys is Acer Predator Helios Neo 16 2025. Intel Core i7 1465OXS. Diyan guys. Windows 11 Home. Ang price niya guys is 79,999. Best for gamers, streamers, and power users. Guys, pwede to sa mga content gamers na guys, na nagko-content creators na gamers. So, ang last is HP Expect 3 times 36040 2026. Best for professionals, creatives, and everyday excellence. Tapos, Ultra 7 258V. So, sa number 1 guys, ang battery is 75 watch battery up to 18 hours guys. Sa ikadua is up to 14 hours. Sa ikatatlo is up to 7 hours. So, sa ikaapat, 16 hours. So, pero guys, mas nice itong HP kasi 16 hours yung battery. Ang price nito guys is 84,995. Yan lang guys. Bye! Sana manapili kayo guys sa pinakita ko mga types sa mga laptops. Thank you for watching.
I just had to let you know you're